everyone, I'm here to do Heggert exercises with you. Let's start by roller coastering words. Cut, t. Gush, g, sh. Yuck, y, k. Sun, s, n. Rub, r, b. Mud, d. Huff, f. Fun, n. Cub, k, b. All right, now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat it, and then we're going to chop it into its 3 separate phonemes. Bug, b, g. Buzz, b, z. Dug, d, g. Sun, s, n. Jug, j, g. Pup, p, p. Some, s, m. Hush, sh. Nut, n, t. Good job. All right, get your fists ready because we're going to do phoneme substitution. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is bug. Change b to r. Rug. The word is sun. Change s to b. Bun. The word is jug. Change j to p. Hug. The word is puff. Change p to h. Huff. The word is gum. Change g to s. Some. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of the word, the rhyme, and we'll add the onset, the beginning sound, put them together to make a new word. The word is un. Add b to the beginning. Bun. The word is uff. Add k to the beginning. Cuff. The word is us. Add b to the beginning. Bus. The word is ugh. Add r to the beginning. Rug. The word is ugh. Add h to the beginning. Hug. Good. Last exercise is phoneme deletion. So we'll start with the word and then we're going to remove the beginning sound. The word is cut. Without k, the word is ut. The word is gum. Without g, the word is The word is hut. Without h, the word is ut. The word is puff. Without p, the word is uff. The word is run. Without r, the word is un. Good job.